Okay, class, this is just the briefest of introductions to our business and professional communications class. However, I do want to point out a couple of the major items that you will want to be aware of. Number one, since the class is not going to include a lot of in-class communications via electronic devices, I do want to point out to you that the use of electronic devices during class time is limited only to in-class activities. If you are texting in class, you will lose attendance points for that day. You'll lose all of your attendance points for that day. And especially if you've been warned, it's not only unwise on your part to go ahead and use your electronic devices, but it's also rude to your classmates who will likely be doing presentations. Other things you will want to be aware of are the main requirements for the class. Number one, you will need to be in class each day. You do get points for that. And also, you will be doing in-class presentations, several of them. You'll be doing a written neutral message, a bad news message, and these guys will be solo projects. You will be put in groups, and in that group, you'll be doing a persuasive message, both in writing and a presentation to the class, and then miscellaneous homeworks that will get you prepared for all of the above. Our ultimate highest point items are a final report, which is worth 100 points, and you will be doing that with your group, and also a final presentation that you will be doing with your group. So we'll be covering all of this in our first class, as well as more information. But I hope that will suffice for now to lay the foundation for the course. I look forward to seeing you in our classroom.